Hello friends, today I'm now gonna to teach you that how you can activate your fingerprint on your WhatsApp app. So first of all, you have to open your WhatsApp call and then you can go to your settings. After going to settings, you have to go to your accounts. It's now to be here, accounts. So after going to accounts, you can click on it and go to privacy. After going to privacy, you have to scroll down and click on fingerprint lock. After clicking on fingerprint lock, so you have to turn on this. If you can turn on this, I have already activated the fingerprint, so it's already on. But if you have do not activated your fingerprint on your WhatsApp, so you have to go to settings and do which I am saying to you. So turn on this, and after gonna to back, so you can see that my WhatsApp is on fingerprint sensor. So you can see on fingerprint it can access. So by activating fingerprint you can secure your WhatsApp. So I hope that you people like my video, and if you people like my video, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get updates for more videos. Thank you. Bye.
What are you waiting for? Subscribe!